Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your data from Jazz Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
None, ma'am.
None. So this is your first time working abroad, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how hard it is being a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, homesickness will frequently strikes you as being a first timer. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you mentally stable, physically stable?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any health issues?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Crystal C. Apolinar from Isit Dolores Abra. I'm 30 years old. My birthday was on December 16, 1993. And my religion is Aglipay. And I'm single.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. What is your height and your weight?
My weight, ma'am, is 70 kilos and my height is 5'2".
What about your educational background?
Um, Second year college, my
Vocational.
uh, yes, ma'am, vocational.
Vocational course for 2 years and you finish your contract, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have children.
No, ma'am.
Okay, is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and two sisters, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the eldest, ma'am.
You are the eldest. What about your parents' occupation and how old is your parents?
My father is a construction worker, ma'am, and he is 54 years old, and my mother is a housewife. She is 50 years old.
Okay, you have a 2 years contract. Do you know that you have a 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year, okay? It's a 2 years contract. So
Yes,
if
ma'am.
there is anything that might happen back to your family in the Philippines, please be aware that you cannot easily go back home because you signed a 2 years contract. And once you breach your contract, you know what will be the consequences, right? You need to pay your
Yes,
employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who decided because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to reach your goals in life, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Philippines. In which place in the Philippines is it?
Muntinlupa, ma'am.
Sorry?
Muntinlupa, Manila, ma'am.
Manila. Okay. Way back 2013 to 2015, you worked for 2 years and you taking care of the elderly, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
64, ma'am.
Female or male?
Female, ma'am.
64 years old. While taking care of this elderly, did you do house chores also?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your
By cleaning the house,
responsibilities?
washing dishes, even washing clothes.
Do you do ironing and cooking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so after this, after 2015, you work as what?
Um, I go home, ma'am, and I work as delivery rider.
Delivery rider. Okay, way back, what year?
Um, I just started on December 2022 to
Until now.
until now, ma'am.
Okay. So, your name is Crystal. Crystal, domestic helper is so very tough, okay? You need to be multitasking and you need to prepare for any task that the employer will be given to you as this is your first time working abroad. You are a newbie. You are a fresher.
Yes, ma'am.
So, are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
I
It's
will
okay.
try, ma'am.
No, you
Uh,
cannot simple say that you will try. Are you okay or no?
okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, are you able to take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
What about cooking? Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What foods I mean you can prepare?
Like chicken curry and others, ma'am.
Okay. So are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
You know how to speak English, right?
yes,
And you can
ma'am.
understand and you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Malay and Mandarin?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ah. Okay. So, as I have told you a while ago, homesickness will frequently strike you because you are a first timer. So, what will you do once your homesickness will strikes you?
Um, at least I call them only once. I am after work, ma'am. I call them and I'm comfortable.
Okay. So, in usage of mobile handphone, you are aware that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can hold it during nighttime only, like 2 to 3 hours, to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. And on your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house and you cannot go out. But of course, if you were gonna work on your rest day, employer will going to pay your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit for every month. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to pay you 2,080 ringgit for every month. So do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I wanted to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia because we are not playing here. We don't want later that once you reach here in Malaysia, you will going to complain us regarding about the rules and regulations of agency and the employer. No, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
No such a thing that we force you to come and work here. We force you to sign the job scope. No such a thing. Because we have the initial interview and you also got interview together with the employer. So if anything, once employer and salesperson will going to ask you any questions, please answer it correctly, okay? And you
Yes, ma'am.
can ask also the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So, uh, normally, why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go in Middle East?
Because Malaysia is nice, ma'am, and safe country.
Safe country.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we wanted to let you know also that being a good characteristic also you need to bring it once you come to work here in Malaysia, okay? Because
Yes,
we are not the boss here. We come to their place because we wanted to earn more and we wanted to earn money because our we wanted to sustain our family's needs, right? So you need to respect the rules and regulations of the employer because you are the one who are staying inside their premises, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Crisanta, right? Crystal. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you
thank
and
you and
God.
have a good day.
Good day.